Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a new subject or struggled to really grasp complex ideas, then this video is for you. We're diving deep into how you can leverage one of the most powerful AI tools out there, Chat GPT, to learn any subject faster, smarter, and more effectively than ever before. Forget just asking it for answers. We're talking about turning ChatGPT into your personal, always available tutor, study buddy, and even your exam proofer. And don't worry, I'm going to give you specific copy and paste prompt templates you can use right now. Let's jump in. First up, understanding the material. This is where most students get stuck. Reading textbooks can be dry, lectures can be fast. ChatGPT can break down complex topics into digestible chunks. Here's your first powerful prompt template. Explain concept topic to me as if I am target audience. For example, a fifth grader, someone with no prior knowledge, or maybe a business professional. Use analogies and simple language. Highlight the most important aspects. Let's see it in action. So, say you're studying quantum entanglement. You'd plug in. Explain quantum entanglement to me as if I am a 10-year-old. Use analogies with everyday objects. See how it makes it relatable? You can also ask for specific examples or even a deeper dive once you get the basics. Now let's explain the role of a specific component or process within a concept in a bit more detail. To make it clearer, I'll provide an example as well. Understanding is one thing, but, knowing if you actually learned it is another. This is where ChatGPT can really become your personal quizmaster. Don't just passively read, actively test yourself. So here's a handy prompt you can use. Generate 5 multiple-choice questions about topic or chapter, with 4 options each, and provide the correct answers at the end. Oh, and make sure to focus on specific type of question, like definitions, applications, or comparisons. Or if you prefer open-ended questions to really stretch your brain, you can try this prompt. Create 3 short answer questions about topic, requiring me to explain concepts in my own words, and ask me to compare and contrast 2 related concepts in one of the questions. The key here is to genuinely try to answer them before looking at ChatGPT's generated answers or explanations. Just treat it like a mini exam. So, you've learned, you've tested, but how do you know you're actually on the right track? Well, this phase is all about verifying your understanding and, filling in any gaps you might have missed along the way. Now, this is where you, bring your own answers to ChatGPT. You might say, I've written an explanation for concept. Please read it and provide feedback. Tell me if it's accurate, where it could be improved for clarity or depth, and if I've missed any crucial points. My answer, your written explanation here. You can also ask it to, elaborate on areas you're still struggling with. For example, I'm still struggling to understand specific aspect of concept. Can you explain it in a different way, maybe with a different analogy, or break it down into even smaller steps? This interactive feedback loop is incredibly powerful. It's like having a tutor pinpointing your exact areas for improvement without judgment. Okay, so ChatGPT is amazing, but it's not a magic bullet. There are crucial precautions and limitations you must be aware of to use it effectively and responsibly for learning. First, always cross-reference. ChatGPT can sometimes hallucinate or provide slightly inaccurate information. Never take its word as gospel, especially for critical facts or complex academic topics. Always verify key information with your textbooks, lecture notes, or reputable academic sources. Treat it as a starting point, not the final authority. So, number 2, don't plagiarize. This is a big one. While Chat GPT can generate text, you should never submit its direct output as your own work. Instead, use it for learning and understanding, then synthesize the information in your own words. Your professors and academic institutions, by the way, have tools to detect AI-generated content. Alright, number 3. Specificity is key. The quality of ChatGPT's output depends entirely on the quality of your prompt. Be as specific as possible. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about history," try something like, "Explain the causes and immediate effects of the French Revolution for a high school history class." And finally, number 4. It doesn't understand you. ChatGPT doesn't know your learning style, your prior knowledge beyond what you tell it, or your struggles unless you explicitly prompt it. It's a tool, and you're the driver. Alright, so, potential for bias. The data ChatGPT was trained on reflects the internet, which unfortunately includes biases. It's really important to be aware that its explanations or examples might sometimes reflect these biases. And now, not a replacement for critical thinking. This is perhaps the most important point. ChatGPT is a tool to aid your learning, not replace the act of thinking deeply, analyzing, and synthesizing information yourself. So, don't let it do all the heavy lifting for your brain. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to turning ChatGPT into your ultimate learning assistant. From understanding concepts to testing your knowledge and verifying your comprehension, these prompt templates will give you a massive head start. So, just a quick reminder about the precautions. Make sure you cross-reference, don't plagiarize, be specific, and, always keep your critical thinking cap on. ChatGPT is a total game changer for students, but, like any powerful tool, it really does require responsible use. Alright, now it's your turn. Go ahead and try out these prompts, experiment with your own, and, let me know in the comments below how ChatGPT is transforming your study habits.